All right, big news now coming in. Remember that Kumbh has become the center of a political showdown. Barely few days now to go for the Kumbh Mela to conclude. Yogi Adityanath now slamming the opposition parties over the Mahakumbh politics. He's targeted Mamata Banerjee earlier as well, but here's what Yogi Adityanath is saying now after Prime Minister Modi also defended the Kumbh, the arrangements by Yogi Adityanath government. Here's what Chief Minister Yogi has to say. So remember, both the top leaders of the government from the centre, from the state, are defending the Kumbh while the celebrities are making a beeline. Katrina Kaif is the latest to have arrived at the Kumbh. There are other celebrities who've already paid obeisance, already have taken the holy dip, and now more are in the queue as well. So these are the latest images coming in. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said, vultures only saw dead bodies in the Kumbh.
और आपके साहस को मैं धन्यवाद भी दूंगा कि आज आपने कहा कि साहब मैं सनातनी हूं। समाजवादी पार्टी से सनातनी होना एक समाजवादी से ने इसलिए मतलब है क्योंकि आप समाजवादी तो पहले तो राम को के अस्तित्व को ही नकार गए थे। भगवान राम के अस्तित्व को, भगवान कृष्ण के अस्तित्व को ही नकार गए थे। याद करिए 2017 में।
All right, so Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath basically responding to the jibe of the Mrityu Kumbh as well. Mamata Banerjee, the Bengal CM, had said this Mahakumbh has become Mrityu Kumbh. Akhilesh Yadav had supported it and added horrific arrangements have been made. It's not as what is being publicized. It's all for publicity and tourism, not for the devotion as it used to be. And now, as a result of that, Prime Minister Modi leading the defense for Kumbh and for the arrangements for how it's been organized. Meanwhile, celebrities make a beeline. Akshay Kumar also, in fact, praised the arrangements that were made. So listen in now in the latest to what Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said.
और आपके साहस को मैं धन्यवाद भी दूंगा कि आज आपने कहा कि साहब मैं सनातनी हूं। समाजवादी पार्टी से सनातनी होना एक समाजवादी से ने इसलिए मतलब है क्योंकि आप समाजवादी तो पहले तो राम को के अस्तित्व को ही नकार गए थे। भगवान राम के अस्तित्व को, भगवान कृष्ण के अस्तित्व को ही नकार गए थे। याद करिए 2017 में।
So remember, this comes barely a day after Prime Minister Modi in Chhatarpur in Madhya Pradesh said that defending the Kumbh, look at the arrangements that have been made. Look at the number of people who have come. But there are some people and a certain group that can only see negativity, that only wants to go after the religious practices, the culture and the popularity of the biggest congregation. Remember, we were talking about, according to official estimates, that over 60 crore people have till now come to this congregation, not just at the Trivedi Sangam, but overall at the Kumbh Mela. He also, Prime Minister, spoke about the volunteers, the doctors who are treating people for free. All of them who are volunteers have come by themselves to help people who are coming to the Kumbh.
हम लोगों ने मथुरा, वृंदावन और ब्रज तीर्थ के विकास की कार्य योजना को आगे बढ़ाया था। समाजवादी पार्टी के साथ की ओर से बयान आया था कि वह हमने कहा था कृष्ण की एक भव्य प्रतिमा भी वहां लगेगी। तो आपके यहां से आया था कि आप लोग भी दुर्योधन का बहुत बड़ा वो लगाएंगे। तो हमने कहा दुर्योधन का ही आप लगाने की आपकी सोच है, दुर्योधन के तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं। हम लोगों ने मथुरा, वृंदावन और ब्रज तीर्थ के विकास की कार्य योजना को आगे बढ़ाया था। समाजवादी पार्टी के साथ की ओर से बयान आया था कि वह हमने कहा था कृष्ण की एक भव्य प्रतिमा भी वहां लगेगी। तो आपके यहां से आया था कि आप लोग भी दुर्योधन का बहुत बड़ा वो लगाएंगे। तो हमने कहा दुर्योधन का ही आप लगाने की आपकी सोच है, दुर्योधन के तो।
So we've heard what the BJP leaders and ministers had to say. Let's listen in now to the opposition side. Joining me from the Samajwadi Party, Ghanshyam Tiwari on the phone line. Mr. Ghanshyam Tiwari, good evening. So right now, clearly the charge is against the opposition parties that you can only hate the Kumbh, hate the Hindu practices, while even the top celebrities are coming in. What do you say to that?
Blatant nonsense cannot be a political message to people of India. That is, tomorrow Adityanath says that anybody who has a full hair on his head is anti-Sanatani doesn't mean that everybody has to go bald. The reality is that this government, not in parliament, not after Prime Minister's death, not in the assembly, has told people that how many people died in the stampede. They were tongue-tied in front of NGT when they were asked about the water samples, the nature of bacteria in the water samples, while Adityanath on the same day was flashing some vague reports in the assembly saying that the water is so clean that you can drink. The entire BJP is at one level of Bisleri Janata Party. They want to drink water from mineral water, distillery water, but they want people to drink water that NGT is saying is unsafe for and unhygienic even for a bath. So this is the reality of today. The railway minister, who is also a real minister, will not resign when people died in stampede. The prime minister, whose suit was sold for 10 or auctioned for 10 lakh rupees, his government gave a compensation for 10 lakh rupees for anybody who died in stampede because where the railway department was at fault. The common man's life is a joke for Bharatiya Janata Party, and propaganda is their new policy.
Ghanshyam Tiwari, what do you say to the numbers that both PM and CM have said, saying look at the number of people still coming, whether members of the public or from the celebrity world, they all want to be a part of this congregation, while the opposition netas are only spreading negativity about it?
Well, ask this question to anybody who has lost their near and dear one, has been given a paltry 10 lakh rupees as compensation. Only people who are absolutely cruel and will take no accountability can crack a joke on people that in a country of 140 crore people, 60 crore have gone to home. These numbers are just a tamasha that BJP wants to present, because these numbers will dumb you down and not let you think about the real problems you face in life, whether it is jobs, whether it is the stampede, whether it is the lack of social security, whether it is the lack of health systems. These are the real problems. We talk about numbers. In this government, for any exam that this government has announced, even if it has leaked, over 200 applicants have written the exam. In this government, crores of more than probably the people who visited it at home, crores have applied for various jobs and they have been denied jobs. So these numbers are a joke on people of India, because the government wants to dump every citizen down with numbers and not own the responsibility of what the citizens need, accountability. They don't want to take the responsibility of the quality of water that NGT is saying. They don't want to take the responsibility of the stampede. They don't want to take the responsibility of the poor manner in which railway has operated by packing people as if they don't matter.
All right. Fair point, Ghanshyam Tiwari. Thank you so much for your perspective. That's what the Samajwadi Party is saying, that not talking about real issues, talking about this. But here's what Yogi Adityanath, Chief Minister of the state, said, and this comes barely 24 hours after Prime Minister Modi also made a defense.
के साहस को मैं धन्यवाद भी दूंगा कि आज आपने कहा कि साहब मैं सनातनी हूं। समाजवादी पार्टी से सनातनी होना एक समाजवादी से इसलिए मतलब है क्योंकि आप समाजवादी तो पहले तो राम के अस्तित्व को ही नकार गए थे। भगवान राम के अस्तित्व को, भगवान कृष्ण के अस्तित्व को ही नकार गए थे। याद करिए 2017 में हम लोगों ने मथुरा, वृंदावन और ब्रज तीर्थ के विकास की कार्य योजना को आगे बढ़ाया था। समाजवादी पार्टी के साथ की ओर से बयान आया था कि वह हमने कहा था कृष्ण की एक भव्य प्रतिमा भी वहां लगेगी। तो आपके यहां से आया था कि आप लोग भी दुर्योधन का बहुत बड़ा वो लगाएंगे। तो हमने कहा दुर्योधन का ही आप लगाने की आपकी सोच है, दुर्योधन की तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं।